Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make green spaghetti with chicken. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 4 slices of chicken breast. Here I already have them cleaned and sliced in halves. 1 bunch of cilantro, 7 Anaheim peppers, and if you can't find this type of pepper, you can also replace them for poblano pepper. 2 chile serranos, 1 pound of spaghetti, 15 ounces of crema mexicana, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a half a cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 2 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, olive oil, garlic salt, black pepper, and queso fresco. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by roasting our peppers in our comal. So I'm just gonna put my stove on medium-high heat. So just leave them there until they're completely roasted. Alright, so once our peppers are fully roasted, we're going to place them in a bowl. So just place them in a bowl and cover them and let them sweat. Alright, so after 10 minutes, we're going to start to peel our chiles. So just take out the stem. And just take off all the roasted. Also open it and remove the seeds. So just do it to all of your Anaheim peppers. And then for the serrano peppers, I'm just going to peel the roasted part, but I'm not going to take out the seeds. Now if you don't want your sauce to be spicy, you can take out the seeds or just don't add the serrano peppers. Alright, so in our blender, we're going to place our chiles, our cilantro, our 2 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of the chicken bouillon, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, our milk, our cream cheese, and our crema mexicana. Just try to grab as much as you can. Try to grab everything. Alright, so now we're just going to mix it all together until we have a very smooth sauce. Okay, so that once we have our sauce, we're going to set it to the side and start working on our chicken. Alright, so for our chicken, I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil. Just like that. And I'm going to season it with garlic salt. And pepper. So just make sure that all your chicken is seasoned. And it's covered with the olive oil. Okay, so once our chicken is ready, we are ready to cook it. Alright, so now I'm going to set my large frying pan on medium-high heat. So we're just going to wait for that to heat up and then we're going to place our chicken. Alright, so once our pan is hot, we're going to place our chicken. And now we're going to cook our chicken about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. All right, so after 5 minutes, we're going to turn our chicken. And let that side cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. All right, so after 5 minutes, we're going to lower down the heat on the stove on the lowest setting. Okay, so this is what our chicken looks like. All right, so now we're just going to grab our sauce and pour it with our chicken. And I'm going to add about half a cup of water in my blender. You know what I like to do. Now, if you want it to be a little bit more watery, then you can add more milk. But to me, this is perfect, so I'm just going to kind of move my chicken around. So now just move your sauce around with the chicken. Just like that. Okay. And now you can try your sauce for salt. To be honest, right now it's perfect. It does not need anything. So now we're just going to cover it and let it come to a simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now we can start working on our spaghetti. All right, so in a large pot, I'm just going to fill it up with water, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and our 2 bay leaves. So we're just going to wait for that to come to a boil, and then we're going to add our spaghetti. All right, so after your water has come to a boil, we're going to cook our spaghetti. So I like to break my spaghetti in half. So we're just going to throw it in. And so we're just going to cook it depending on the instructions on our box. All right, so once our spaghetti is done, we're going to turn off the stove. We're going to drain the water and remove the bay leaves. All right, so we're going to return back to the stove, and you can use the same pot that you used to boil your spaghetti. I'm going to use a different one just so you guys can get a better view. So I'm just going to turn it on medium-high heat. And I'm going to place my butter. The 4 tablespoons of butter. And we're just going to wait for that to melt. Okay, so once our butter has fully melted, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the chicken bouillon. Just mix it all together. And now we're going to add our spaghetti. So that's what we did not know, salt to the water. So now just mix it all together. And then at this point, our chicken should be done. All right, so now I'm just going to turn off our stove. And that is basically it for our spaghetti. So now we are ready to serve. All right, so now to serve it, I'm going to slice the chicken. And now we're just going to place it on top of our spaghetti. All right, so now to serve it. All Alright, so I'm just going to serve some spaghetti. And I'm just going to grab my chicken. Get the tail. And cover it with some green sauce. And of course, top it up with some queso fresco. And now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty, and now for the best part.
The taste test.
Yes, we are ready. It smells delicious. We are hungry, so we are ready to enjoy this delicious green spaghetti with chicken. Okay, ready? Cheers. Cheers. Mmm. Super delicious. How is it? Seriously, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious green spaghetti with chicken. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.